Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E32s. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant. Sign in and select your account. Now enter voice match, enable Hey Google function, tap next, more, agree, again next, and now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.